Welcome back to today's brand new compilation. When exits turn into the black hole of car crashes, or when the concept of a safe distance is forgotten, and when drivers act like children. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Stopping in the middle of an intersection like that is such a bad idea. The indicator is on, but is he actually turning? It looks like he's decided to turn, so ridiculous. Unlike the previous case, driving in the wrong lane usually causes a lot of serious accidents like this one.
Il est en contresens sur le torrent là. Oh, Starfall, والله il est mort. Starfall.
The wrong way drivers like this are usually either drunk or people who just moved to new places and aren't familiar with the road system there yet. This is a similar incident to the previous one, but more intense. Wrong-way driving is extremely dangerous, especially on highways where vehicles are moving fast. Trying to avoid or stop can put others at risk. And it's not just one wrong-way driver here, so keep driving on the right lanes. This is the Union Street exit off I-5 in Seattle. The long lines of cars here are usually caused not by traffic, but by accidents that happen in this area. Like these moments. Blind curves are a big issue for many drivers because they can't see if there's danger ahead.
I wonder how much it would. Nice.
Exactly like this, no awareness of what's coming next. One reason for accidents at blind curves is the surprise of unexpected dangers. You might dodge an unexpected car, but you'll be stunned for a few seconds and lose control. This is a similar situation to the previous one, but the road isn't wide enough for any mistakes if an accident happens. Luckily, it was just a minor collision. Have you ever had trouble with a U-turn? Even though the tractor trailer is pretty long, the driver made the turn safely. It's really impressive, but it's not easy to pull off. Now we have another U-turn with a smaller semi, but worse. Even though drivers know the danger of careless turns, it still happens. Or is this?
Of startled silence. How rude.
Reckless turning and speeding, a perfect combination for an insane accident. Check out this moment. lot of people think the old man caused the accident by making the semi brake suddenly, which led the truck behind it to swerve into oncoming traffic and crash. What do you think about this? Sometimes, impatient drivers can be just as unpredictable as drunk drivers. What would you do if you encountered a driver like this?
There's gonna be other ways where they can help you, like
No, no, no! Oh!
There's actually a term for this situation, which is whiskmaker, and it's one of the most common types of situations that can cause accidents. Can anyone tell me why someone would lift the trailer like that on the highway? Here's why you should never pass other vehicles when you're on the wrong side of the road.
You're on an all-road truck. Like if you ever just have an acquaintance,
Nice.
and you
Nice.
know, friend,
Nice.
widow, husband was murdered.
Wait, go. Wait a go, you idiot.
The murdering is with this
I've
right.
always wondered how people.
Is
Holy.
I'm not sure why, but the way the wrong way driver reacted seems unreasonable. Maybe he was careless or lacked experience with situations like this. This incident recorded at an intersection in Madison, Wisconsin.
Whoa!
Shows a black car running a red light at high speed and causing an accident. Luckily, the driver braked in time, preventing the collision from getting out of control. This is a common type of accident where drivers fail to check properly when turning, leading to a crash. This accident is believed to have been caused by a female driver. A lot of people don't like women driving because they tend to hesitate and make decisions too slowly. In this case, whether or not to turn. Another driver ended up on Ferrari's blacklist. This dangerous accident was recorded by the driver of the white car. However, she said that her insurance company refused to compensate her for the damages. What do you think about that? In this case, who do you think should be responsible for covering the damages? Please learn how to use the brake before you hit the throttle. The police reported that these supercars were an illegal race, and the drivers lost control of their insane speed. This really illustrates the reckless driving attitude and the need for flexing that so many people have. That ended far better than I thought it would. The driver's calmness was really impressive, but pulling the handbrake at that speed, definitely not a smart move. There's another situation where things went better. The police got help from a truck driver and were able to stop the suspect's vehicle quickly. Police have a lot of equipment to help make suspect apprehension easier. Still, they always need to be very careful when handling these situations. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.